Welcome back. We're continuing the news. There are questions this evening about whether there is a need for more public education relating to the National Identification System, NIDS. Public Defender Eileen Harrison Henry argues that though some consultation has taken place, she wonders whether more should be done. But government members on the parliamentary committee reviewing the NIDS bill rushed to defend the public education drive. Vashon Brown has details.
A parliamentary committee has been examining the NIDS bill for the past few weeks, getting opinions from various interest groups. But Public Defender Eileen Harrison Henry raised this concern at Tuesday's sitting.
We're of the view that though you have received a widespread and a good sampling of opinions and so on, we wondered whether or not there ought not to be more public education, because this legislation has a fairly long reach.
Were you aware, Public Defender, we had 6 virtual town hall meetings?
Yeah, we're aware of that. We're aware of that, Minister, but we're also aware of several connectivity issues across the island.
The Public Defender argued that a greater attempt can be made to try to reach people in their communities. Mrs. Harrison Henry says she believes a town hall meeting is needed in at least every parish capital. She argues that community-based organizations, as well as justices of the peace, can also help with the public education. Committee member Peter Bunting intervened, arguing that a public education campaign would involve both views for and against the NIDS.
What we've had in terms of the original town halls, before people were educated on the details of the bill, was primarily about promotion, promotion of the benefits of the bill. And I don't think that counts, to my mind, as certainly not public consultation.
State Minister in the Ministry of Information, Robert Morgan, says the town hall meetings were not just an opportunity to promote the bill,
but also to listen to questions by persons in the public so we could educate them about what it is that the bill represents, and also hear them educate us about what it is that they thought it should be or what it is that they think it is.
The town halls were not only carried on the internet and promoted through social media, but they were carried live on radio and they were carried on free-to-air TV, PBCJ, etc. So this was maybe the most widely disseminated town halls that have been held on matters such as these.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says the custodies and the JPs have been playing a role in educating people in their communities. He says public education is a process and so will continue even after the passage of the bill. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.